The body of two women was found at a popular Jamaican restaurant in New Jersey, and then afterwards, the owner body, which is a male, was actually discovered in a car. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We ask you please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, and click on all so you're always updated with the latest report. We'll be right back after the break with the details. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV. Let's talk. So the police in the United States are investigating the discovery of the body of two women that was found at a popular Jamaican restaurant that goes by the name K&K Jamaican Restaurant. And this is located in Hillside, New Jersey, according to international reports. Now, the restaurant is said to be owned by a Jamaican national, and his body was also discovered at a parking lot at a car rental agency. Now, the police are theorizing whether or not this might be a murder-suicide, but the two women's body that were found, they are said to be sisters. So we're going to try to update you with the latest report we have in relation to this story. So two women were found inside a popular New Jersey Jamaican restaurant, and the police are probing whether it is connected to the death of its owner, whose body was found in a car nearby the day before, authorities said on Wednesday. Now, this news is coming outside of the United States, and the owner of the restaurant is said to be a Jamaican. The bodies of Karen, who is 39, and her sister, Juanita Joffa, 41, were found Tuesday in the K&K restaurant in Hillside, New Jersey, according to Union County Prosecutor's Office. The grisly discovery came a day after the co-owner of the restaurant, Akane Martin, who had two kids with Karen, who was actually aged 39 years old, was found with gunshot wounds to his head inside a car at an Enterprise location in Newtown in Union, New Jersey. A weapon was found near his body and no foul play was suspected, according to the police. So the police are theorizing that they might have had some disagreement with the two sisters, and then he might have been the one that went to the restaurant and took out the two sisters, who was actually 39 and 41 years old, then took his own life. So the police are theorizing that this might be a murder-suicide, but they have not concretely state that just yet, as they are carrying out their investigation in order to ascertain the real motive behind this latest crime in the United States. So during the investigation, the police was looking at the people that they could inform about the passing of Mr. Martin, and when they realized that two of his family members were actually missing, they went to a location just in order to ascertain whether or not these individuals would have been at the restaurant when the bodies of the two females were found inside, according to the prosecutor's office. Their deaths were ruled as homicide by the Union County Medical Office, which conducted the autopsy on Wednesday, and the police are still carrying out their investigation in order to ascertain what was the real motive behind this. But the police theorized that Martin might have took his own life and took the life of both the sisters as well, but they cannot ascertain the real concrete motive behind this crime, as it's still early days yet and they are still carrying out their investigation. But we'll continue to just track this story and provide you with any more details to come on this. But it's very sad to see what is going on and the number of females' lives that are being taken due to domestic disputes. We're not sure what transpired here in this case. However, once more information becomes available to us, we'll sure to update you, the general public. But it's very sad to see the spades of crime that is taking place with regards to female getting caught in this one. This happened in New Jersey at a popular Jamaican restaurant in which two females' life was viciously snuffed out, and the police are carrying out more investigation in order to ascertain what is behind this. But we'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information once it becomes available to us. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Peace out and bless.